So this is the pound yen, and let's go have a look at it again. On the monthly time frame, it is currently trading within a range, you see, which I identified earlier. Now, I don't like that, but you have to work with whatever the market gives you, I suppose. So yeah, around at 148.46 is a height, the top of the range. Around about 135 is the bottom of the range. Now, it is a pretty big range on the monthly time frame. You're looking at well over a 1,000 pips, and you're looking at 1,300 pips or so. But ideally, you want to see the price moving outside of a range and trending. But we'll trade what the market gives us. Now, we've got the price trading above the monthly open, which is bullish. And if we go down to a lower time frame, the weekly, and let's see where we are. I always say, if it's trading above the week's open, I have a bias to the direction. As you can see here, we have gapped up and we are trading above the week's open, so I am bullish on the market. And if we go down to the daily, let's see where we are on the daily time frame, which is this candle here. We are bullish, but as you can see, we did come up near that 148.46 level. Now, and we did sell off not quite a bit, but just a decent amount of selling. Now we went up to 148.34, so it is within 12 pips of that level. So we cannot expect it to just stop at a dime and in reverse. So it did come off quite a bit from that level. Now it's come off from that 148.34, currently trading at 147.44. You're looking at 100 pips, and it went as low as 146. So yeah, almost 200 pips sell off from that level. So that level is a strong level, as you can see on the daily chart, because it's over here in July. We reversed from that level, and again around about May, reversed from that level as well. So in this, on the daily chart here, we've got another little range of that whole 148.46 to say 130, well, 148.46 to 139. Interesting. And about a 139 region, somewhere in the region of 139.60 and 138.53. So you have a bit of a range there as well. But there's nothing wrong with range. You simply sell the top of the range and buy the bottom of the range, and yeah. So currently I have a bullish bias based on the daily time frame, but we have come off 200, I'd say close to 200 pips off the high of the previous day. Now we did go down to 146, but we are being bought back up. So bulls are entering the market. So all those, as would be expected, there was a lot of selling at the top of the range. Now obviously we could break out of this range, and then the market will proceed with a lot of momentum. A lot of people get short squeeze if they're selling this top of the range. And if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, let's see where we are. Nope, not the 45-minute time frame. On the 1 hour, let's see where we are with the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we've had the news candle, which is extremely bullish, and it's come to the top of the range. We've sold off, prices come back up, and I suppose we are waiting for a bullish signal to take this up to that 148.46 level, and yeah, that's currently where we are, waiting for a bullish signal to trade continuation with a multiple time frame alignment. So yeah, tomorrow, obviously today being Friday, you can expect some profit takings, particularly after the pretty big moves in the pound this week. Quite a bit of positive fundamental news. But yeah, we're currently looking for a bullish signal to take it long.